Interviewer asks, why are you different from other candidates? Why should we hire you and not the other candidate? Answer, I have been working in the same industry for last 5 years. I have solved the same problems that you are facing, and I am aware about the new problems that are appearing throughout industry. I can solve your existing problems, plus I have awareness about economy, how it's gonna shape, how it's gonna move, and the impact of technology and consumer behavior. So I am aware about the present as well as the future, and I have awareness and the necessary skills to fill those gaps, fix those problems. Plus, I have new ideas that I have perfected in last 3 months, and I am going to implement it, and that will be your unique advantage that none of your competitors have. You see, guys, what happened? I took like 50 seconds to answer that, by the way. You see what happened? I answered the question and I told them that this is the industry I have been working with. I know the present and the future, and I'm gonna do better because I already have done it in the past. Now I will do it faster in a much nicer way, much more efficiently. Okay. But the third part was very important. You said you have new ideas because the interviewer will ask you, hey, you have been doing the same thing. Don't you feel bored? Don't you have any vision for yourself? Don't you want to be different a bit? Okay, so you ensured that when you mentioned about the innovation, the creative element, the difference that you're going to make at this company, now you filled all the checklist items, okay, that you are a good candidate. You're not just a desperate employee who just want a job, but you are passionate also. So this was industry specific. If you are not working in the same industry, then you can replace the industry part with skills or the goal. If this industry is not your industry, but the goal is same, they also want someone who can generate plethora of leads, business to business leads, B2B, then you will mention B2B. I have been doing B2B. Or if it is retail, you will mention I have been doing B2C. Okay, so you covered industry if that is your superpower, if that is your good point. Otherwise, you mentioned the goal and why you are a good fit because you have been doing it consistently and you have secret ideas that are really, really good that nobody else has. Okay, so now you know how to answer this question.